Last week we spoke about DUI wrecks. This week I want to talk about the Dram Shop Act, which is a way to hold a provider responsible if they were the ones that negligently sold the alcohol to the drunk driver. Now, just because a person gets alcohol somewhere does not mean that the provider is strictly liable. There's a two-pronged test that has to be satisfied in order to hold them responsible. Number one, did they knowingly or should they have known that the person who they were selling alcohol to was intoxicated? And number two, did they know or should they have known that that person was soon to drive? So looking a little closer at each, first one, things we know. Was a person in the establishment, were they slurring their words, were they talking loud, had they been sitting there for hours ordering a bunch of drinks, things that we all know are signs of intoxication. Number two, did the person have keys out in front of them? Were they talking about driving? Is the place located in such a location where there's no public transportation or it's hard for Ubers and Lyfts to come? These types of things. These are hard cases. Lots of attorneys don't like handling them because it involves really rolling up your sleeves and getting into the facts of what happened, but they can prove to be very successful for a client.